here are going to be rank and file FBI agents. That's why you can't have, you know, the broad sweeping generalization. If you have a few bad cops, actions of a few bad cops should not reflect on the actions of others. They do not reflect on the actions of others. And in the case of FBI agents, they have a meeting, and he and other House chairmen at this meeting, Bob Goodlatte of Judiciary and Trey Gowdy of Government Reform, fully backed in their demands by Speaker Ryan. Speaker Ryan did ask people to hold back a week before they file these impeachment issues. Anyway, Ryan sent Rosenstein and Ray an unambiguous message: comply with Congress's order this week. Anyway, Ryan was